I'm back out here with my Glue and Fly Series DIY F-22 Micro Parkjet. I've got the Radiolink Beam DB Delta Bravo gyro in it with a Radiolink R8 FM SBACH PPM receiver. So I did a little tuning on it after the first flight. It handled really well. I didn't see any oscillations. I just need to do some trimming on it. So let's put it back in the air. This is probably going to be the last flight before I retire this airframe. It's got over 400 flights on it, so time to redesign a little bit and build a new. But anyway, let's go launch it. All right, launching. Takes right off. We're in fully stabilized mode with the Beam DB gyro. Alright. Gain a little altitude and put it into gyro mode, wind mitigation mode. Okay, we are in gyro mode now, wind mitigation mode. Now we can do some stuff. Now in wind mitigation mode, I mean, it's really nice having some wind mitigation on this on this Parkjet after over 400 flights. But the rolls, everything looks very tight, axial. Everything looks symmetrical. It's a great handling little DIY Parkjet. I will try and remember to put links to the plans in the show notes. If you guys want to build one, it was really inexpensive. It's got some inexpensive components in it. It's got unlimited vertical and 3S. I think it's all up weight with my GMB 3S 530 milliamp hour lipos between 130 and 135 grams. So it's really lightweight. It has a very good wide flight envelope. You can fly it fast, you can fly it slow. It's very aerobatic, it's very stable and forgiving. So if you're a builder, you might want to check it out, build one. Isn't that awesome? Now with this little 530 I've got in it, this 3S LiPo, I get about a 5-minute flight out of it, doing mixed mode flying, leaving 3.6 volts per cell. It can handle a larger battery just fine. I think I've flown it with everything up to a 950 milliamp hour 3S LiPo. Of course it feels heavier in the air with the battery that size, but it handled it just fine. It's really cool having a gyro in it now. Okay, let's bring it back around. sweet. Man, I hate to retire this Parkjet, but 2 crashes, over 400 flights. Adam's ready board foam is getting kind of ragged out on it, you know. So I definitely think it's time to retire it. But what fun I've had. 400 plus flights on this little jet. Absolutely awesome. Alright, that's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.